we have now come to our conclusion. Let's go through our conclusion together. Now, of course, we'll start off with in conclusion, the desire of and expectation for the average city dweller to multitask, be constantly plugged in. The atmosphere of apprehension that is created by the media, and diminishing job certainty have increased how anxious modern people feel. This part is where we simply reiterate our points. Next, we'll discuss about some possible implications of the question. In this case, we shall put the implication in the form of a question. What can we do to avoid debilitating anxiety? So we're saying that a lot of us will experience even more anxiety as we enjoy the manifold, which means many and complex, benefits of a typical modern life. The last part of our conclusion is to offer some solutions. So here are some solutions. Individually, we must wean ourselves. Wean ourselves, it sort of means to get ourselves to be less dependent, less accustomed to something. To wean ourselves of the addiction to insignificant information. Here we use the same line that we did a few essays back, which the media delivers to us round the clock, like junkies, like dealers to junkies. This is our next solution. Next, the inexorable, which means unstoppable rise of advanced technology and automation should be an epiphany. An epiphany is it's a deep and sudden realization. It changes our perception of labor and productivity rather than used as tools to widen income disparity, which means to widen the rich and poor divide, the gap between those who are wealthy and those who are poor. Now, here's an interesting line, which I hope we can learn to use. The level of anxiety which is experienced by modern people depends on our choice to construct a future, to create a future that either resembles Star Trek or Elysium. If you have watched any science fiction television shows or movies, Star Trek is a world in the far distant future where people actually work for pleasure because they want to explore the world, explore the universe and things like that. And Elysium is it's a world where the rich and poor are divided. In fact, the rich lives on a separate location out in space, whereas the poor have to slog it out on Earth, which is polluted, of course. So this is our conclusion.